everyone, in today's video we'll be installing some 20mm wheel spacers on the 2023 BRZ. Hopefully these spacers will give us a more flush wheel fitment on the stock wheels. If you want a more aggressive look while you're saving up for a full set of aftermarket wheels, these could be the solution. These Titan brand spacers were $80 for the set of 4 from Amazon. The manufacturer states that these are constructed of billet 6061 T6 aluminum with 12.9 grade steel studs. The build quality seems decent, but we'll keep you updated on how they hold up over time. To install the spacers, first break your lug nuts loose, then jack up the car and secure it on jack stands. The wheel spacers are hub-centric, so they should slide over the wheel hub perfectly. Thread the nuts onto the stock studs and use a ratchet or impact to tighten them. For this part, you'll need someone in the car to press on the brake pedal or the hub will spin. With the brake pedal held down, torque the wheel spacer nuts to 89 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel and the lug nuts. After you lower the car off the jack stands, make sure to torque the lug nuts to 89 foot-pounds. You'll repeat the same process on all 4 wheels. Grab a tea from your favorite bubble tea shop to cool down. Here you can see what the car looks like with the 20mm spacers on the front and back. The BRZ is already lowered around 1 inch on the T&H Tech lowering springs. The wheels look much better and less sunken in now. Be sure to periodically check the torque on your spacers and wheels. Let us know what you think of the look in the comments and please subscribe for more BRZ content.